welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Can TV and I'm Jobless Azubike. Okay guys, quickly we are to make chicken sauce today. It's very easy and simple. I have done something like this and I decided to do a whole lot of different things on this very video. If you've not watched that old video on my YouTube channel, maybe you can check it here. I'm going to leave the link here, so do well to check it out. It's one of the amazing recipes that I gave on that video, so do it to check it out here. I'm going to leave it somewhere here, yeah, and also check it on the description box. I'm going to leave it there too. If this is your first time here on Can TV, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the red subscription button. And if you've been watching my videos for a very long time and you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Why not click the red subscription button and join the Can TV family? Okay guys, without wasting your time, let's dive right into the video. Okay guys, first of all, let us prep all our veggies, which is, this is my yellow bell peppers. I'm going to prep it just the way I want it. This is my red bell pepper. I'm just going to cut it in a cute form, just the way I cut my red bell peppers. This is my green bell peppers. I'm just going to do same just like the other peppers. And this is my green chili pepper. I'm just going to just cut it just in a cube form, just this way. And this is my Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm just going to cut it in this way. Please guys, support me here on my channel. It will really go a long way for me. Just click the super thanks icon in between download and clips here, just as you see on the screen. Thank you. And this is my carrot. Do well to just play along with the way you're cutting your veggies. Just this is the way I just like it, and it looks good and it looks like good in the eye. That's why. So I'm just going to be chopping my white onions. And this is my red onion. I'm just going to cut it in a big chunk because I love it just like that. This is the chicken breast that we're going to be using, and I'm just going to dice it just in a very smaller part. I'm going to go in with my light soy sauce and my dark soy sauce together, then also with my honey. Yes, I'm just going to mix all of them together. Quickly, these are the list of ingredients that we are going to be using in cooking our chicken sauce. I'm going to leave it on the description box and also here on screen, so do well to pause and check it out. And yeah, so I have my seasonings and I will be marinating my chicken. So I have some seasoning cubes and some salt, some thyme and some curry, just to spice it up. And I'm going to be marinating it with ginger and garlic, then also with butter. Yeah, I'm using margarine in this video, but you can use butter, melted butter to marinate this. I'm going to like mix it thoroughly and keep this aside for about 30 to 45 minutes in the fridge or anywhere. Then I'm going to mix my cornstarch. If you know it as cornstarch, is fine. If you know it as corn flour, it's also good. Whichever way you know it as, you can check it on the superstore, in the supermarket. Yeah, I'm going to mix this with water, just the quantity that I want. I'm going to heat up a pan, add in my vegetable oil. After doing that, I'm going to wait for this to heat up, then before adding in my marinated chicken. So this is my marinated chicken. I added it. You can see how good it's looking. So I'm going to allow this to fry up to 20 to 25 minutes. Then I'm going to go in with my chopped white onion. Then I'm going to stir it and allow the flavor to come out from it. Please guys, like this video if you've watched up to this time. Like this video and tell me where you're watching this from. Thank you. So I'm going to fry this for about 5 to 10 minutes, allowing all the flavors to enter inside the chicken. I will be going in with my red chopped onion. Then I'm going to fry this for another 5 to 10 minutes, allowing it to bring out some flavor before adding in my red bell pepper and my yellow bell pepper and my green bell peppers. I'm going to fry this for about 10 to 15 minutes for it to bring out some of those lovely flavors. Going to go in with my ginger and garlic paste to give this another flavor. I'm going to fry this for another 10 minutes. Then go in with my soy sauce mix. Fry this for about 10 to 15 minutes before going in with my curry powder. Then I'm going to mix this very well. Please guys, give this video a like if you love what you're seeing. So I'm going to go in with my carrot, my chopped chili pepper and my red scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to fry this for 5 minutes because I will love it. I will love my carrots to be crunchy, not really soft. And after frying for 5 minutes, I'm going to go in with my water, with the quantity of water that I want for my sauce. I'm going to allow this to boil. It has been boiling for about 5 to 10 minutes now. I gave this a taste to check if everything is in order. I needed to add some salt to taste. And I also added some seasoning cubes. Then I went in with my Cameroon pepper. You know how I love spicy food, and also I love the taste of Cameroon pepper, so that's the more reason I'm really adding Cameroon pepper to this. It's really optional, so you don't really have to go in with it if you're not the type that loves spicy food. So guys, I'm going to go in with my mixed corn flour or corn starch. I'm using these two names because I don't know where you're watching this from, so you won't kind of be confused. Yeah, so I'm going to give this a stir, and you can see it's going to boil for another 5 minutes, and wow, it's ready. Please like this video. like this video. Please click the red subscription button to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also support me by using the super thanks icon in between download and clips, as you can see on the screen. Don't forget to like and share this video to your friends. Bye bye. I'm going to see you in another video.